It's a complicated affair. Egypt says the islands belong to Saudi Arabia. But when President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi announced they will be returned, some people protested. Cairo is appealing a recent court ruling that the islands should remain with Egypt. And at the weekend, the judge was meant to hear that appeal. Instead, activists gathered to call for the release of protesters. The appeal ruling was postponed, but not without controversy.
The government tried to interfere in at least two public ways. The first, when the Minister of Legal Affairs Al-Agati told the media that the court will reach a verdict before the end of the month, and he described the verdict as cheap. The other was when General Mamdouh Shaheen, a member of the Army Council, came and visited the judicial building.
When the minister specified a time frame for the verdict, it raised suspicions. He should not have an opinion in general, and therefore, he has no authority to talk about timing.
The judge in this case is also due to retire at the end of the month, another factor that's not sitting well with lawyers.
I have requested to change the judicial panel as an attempt from me to preserve the independence of the court.
No word yet from the state lawyers over allegations of interference. Instead, they came with documents stating the state's case and the agreement with the Saudis. To avoid any suspicions, lawyers have requested to change the court, and until a new panel is selected, the previous verdict that the islands shall remain Egyptians will stand until a final verdict is reached in this dispute. Adel, Mahrouky, CCTV, Cairo.